the vision of Viksit Bharat, the UT of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is transforming into a model of holistic development. This region is known for its high-tech infrastructure, modern healthcare, world-class education, thriving tourism, youth empowerment, women-led progress, and inclusive industrial growth. Honorable Prime Minister describes the UT as,
मैं जब भी यहाँ आता हूँ, मन आनंद से भर जाता है। दमन, दीव, दादरा और नगर हवेली की विकास यात्रा को देखना भी मेरे लिए बहुत ही सुखद होता है।
Under the proactive leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi and the consistent efforts of Honorable Administrator, Shri Praful Patel, the UT has taken up 450 plus projects worth more than 13,000 crores in the last 9 years. Many of these projects have become landmark initiative in the territory. Today, the region has emerged as a favored tourist destinations in the country, with 5 million tourists visited in 2025. The tourism sector gets revived through Daman Night Market, development of 12 luxurious tent cities, Ramsetu Seafront, Namopath Seafront, Diu Annex House, go-karting facility, water sports activities and Daman Aviary among others. Ghovla Beach, where we organized Khelo India Beach Games in 2025 and 2026, now Blue Flag Certified Beach, is gaining global recognition. In terms of connectivity, Diu Airport is already connected to Goa, Surat and Ahmedabad, and flights to Delhi will soon begin. Daman Civil Airport is also in the final stages of construction, providing direct connectivity to the region with cities like Mumbai, Goa, Ahmedabad and Delhi. Education sector has witnessed a remarkable transformation from mere dreams to premier institutes like Namo Medical College, GNLU Campus, IIIT-DU, Daman Engineering College, Arts and Science College in Daman, nursing colleges in Daman and DNH and NIFT campus. With multilingual instruction and 100% smart classrooms from standard 6th to 12th, students are being empowered for the future. In 2025, Diu and Daman districts secured first and second position respectively in the secondary school examination conducted by Gujarat Board. Before 8 years, the UT were at the bottom. Establishment of more than 1,200 new industries in the last decade and major investments have laid a strong foundation for jobs and self-employment, especially for tribal and marginalized communities. The sector, with more than 7,000 manufacturing industrial units and 2.5 lakh jobs, has an annual turnover of 2.75 lakh rupees crore and an annual export of 39,000 crore rupees. The UT ranks third in plastic product exports nationally. Healthcare too has evolved, with a 450-bedded fully centralized Namo hospital, treating over 5,500 OPD patients daily. In the future, with a total capacity of 1,270 beds and a 400-bed dormitory for patients' families, this teaching hospital will become a center of excellence in the region. The UT has achieved gold-level TB-free status, as well as 100% institutional deliveries and full infant immunization. Our union territory became the first in the country to achieve 100% National Quality Assurance Standard (NQAS) certification for all its health institutions. Additionally, a new 300-bedded Marwad Hospital in Daman, state-of-the-art facility, is in the final stages of construction, featuring centralized air conditioning, modular operating theatres, and an advanced ICU. The 100-room Ayurvedic hospital and wellness resort under construction in Pati village, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, will elevate our traditional system of medicine to new heights. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu is a living testimony to what can be achieved when people's potential meets purposeful governance. This remarkable confluence of infrastructure and public amenities has brought prosperity and dignity to every citizen of the Union Territory. Irrespective of any challenge or situation, The UT commits to walk the path of Viksit Bharat with even more unity and resolve.